precision cutting of leather materials, such as car floor mats, interior materials, shading pads, luggage, etc. With no burrs on the cut edges and precise shaping of complex and irregular shapes. Equipped with intelligent recognition system and high-frequency vibration knife technology.
The oscillating knife cutting machine provides multi-dimensional support for customers in the advertising industry. It can accurately cut all types of materials such as spray-painted cloth, acrylic, KT board, etc., avoiding burrs and dust. Improve material utilization through automated typesetting, shorten delivery time through high-speed cutting, and adapt to small batch customization and urgent orders. See how it redefines the art of cutting. Tens of thousands of high-frequency vibrations per minute, accurately penetrating high-end composite materials such as carbon fiber, aramid honeycomb, and glass fiber, without thermal deformation or burrs, with smooth edges like mirrors. High cutting accuracy, easy to handle complex curved surfaces and irregular patterns, from automotive carbon fiber components to aerospace aramid honeycomb panels, all in one machine. Say goodbye to the inefficiency of manual cutting. The large field camera's visual system instantly recognizes patterns, with a precision of plus or minus 0.01 mm micron level cutting and carving, with errors as fine as a hair. Continuous processing of coil materials, from design to finished products, doubling efficiency. Experience the smooth cut surface of exquisite quality and witness the leap in efficiency. The high-frequency vibrating blade cuts through various fabrics, and lace fabrics can also be accurately cut. CAD layout maximizes fabric utilization with an error control within 0.1 mm, making it easy to handle complex patterns. It can cut hundreds of layers of fabric at once, and the efficiency can be directly filled up. Are you still worried about cutting corrugated paper? The vibrating knife cutting machine is here. High precision and fast speed. Whether it is single or double corrugated cardboard or complex irregular structures, it can be accurately cut with smooth edges and no burrs. Half-cut corrugated paper can also be easily processed, with precise control of cutting depth without damaging the bottom layer. And there is no need for molds. Importing CAD drawings can start immediately, greatly saving sampling time and cost. When the oscillating knife cutting machine cuts the sealing gasket, the accuracy reaches 0.1 to 0.5 mm. The edge is smooth without burrs, and cold cutting does not damage the properties of materials such as rubber and PTFE. No need for molds. Can cut complex shapes according to CAD drawings, suitable for small batch customization. Combined with automatic feeding, it can be mass-produced with high efficiency and low loss. The mark point recognition advantage of the small camera of the oscillating knife cutting machine is significant, with high accuracy. By using fixed distance mark points and graphics, the control system can accurately cut along the design path, reducing errors. Widely applicable, can be used for various materials such as paper and fabric, and is not limited by size or shape. Our equipment's oblique cutting function can cut beveled edges, bevels, or various angles, and can be used to connect beveled edges for making packaging boxes and display racks. It can also perform oblique layered cutting on multi-layer materials to meet special process requirements, such as composite materials and soundproof cotton, expanding the flexibility and accuracy of processing scenarios.
Look at this oscillating knife cutting machine. It efficiently processes corrugated paper. First, cut out the outline of the cardboard box. Then automatically change the pressure wheel knife to accurately press out the creases, cutting and creasing in one go. Professional and efficient. Choose it for cardboard box processing. The oscillating knife cutting machine is a double beam model, equipped with a large surface platform, aluminum alloy honeycomb surface stable adsorption material, and felt guide tape and feeding rack for continuous conveying of coil materials. The dual cutting blade module supports dual station synchronous or independent operation, significantly improving efficiency. communication servo drive runs smoothly and cuts accurately, widely used in industries such as luggage and advertising. Our suction cup oscillating knife cutting machine stabilizes and fixes cardboard box materials through strong suction, achieving automated feeding. Combined with computer typesetting software, one-click typesetting optimization can be completed, effectively improving material utilization. The red light positioning accurately guides the cutting path, and the pressure wheel knife accurately presses out the creases of the paper box according to the drawing. The oscillating knife cutting machine uses high-frequency vibration cutting technology and digital intelligent control system to efficiently cut various common materials in the luggage industry, avoiding material pulling and deformation during processing, and easily dealing with complex materials such as multi-layer composite, high elasticity, and easy deformation. Intelligent typesetting software automatically plans the optimal path, achieving instant input and cut of complex graphics. The oscillating knife cutting machine leads the industry with excellent performance. Specially designed for automatic cutting solutions of easily deformed fabrics, such as lace and chiffon, with smooth and burr-free cuts. Facing leather and fly-woven shoe uppers, it can be precisely cut in one go. Equipped with a vacuum adsorption table, an infrared positioning system, automatic feeding and tool changing functions, intelligent typesetting software. The oscillating knife cutting machine has demonstrated unparalleled competitive advantages in the field of sports equipment manufacturing. It can accurately cut sports equipment components of various materials, such as balls, protective gear, etc., ensuring precise size and regular shape. It can also quickly complete the cutting of complex patterns and shapes, while reducing material waste, ensuring product quality, and helping to improve the performance and appearance of sports equipment. How to cut materials in the shoe and luggage industry. This device can accurately cut various complex shapes of materials, such as leather and fabric, with smooth cuts and reduced material waste. It can quickly complete pattern cutting, improve production efficiency, and adapt to the production needs of small batches and multiple styles. It can also be personalized through digital design to meet the unique requirements of different customers. In the sofa floor mat industry, the cutting speed of oscillating knife cutting machines is fast, which can improve production efficiency. High precision, smooth cutting edges, no serrations, and good cutting effect. It also supports intelligent typesetting, which can improve material utilization and is physically cut. Smoke-free and odorless, environmentally friendly and energy-saving, effectively reducing costs and improving product quality. In the automotive interior industry, oscillating knife cutting machines have significant advantages. It can accurately cut various complex shapes, adapt to various interior materials such as leather and fabric, and cut smooth edges without burrs. High cutting, efficiency, able to quickly complete large orders, flexible processing, easy to adjust design according to needs, and high degree of equipment automation, reducing manual intervention. In the advertising industry, oscillating knife cutting machines can quickly and accurately cut various advertising materials, such as acrylic, KT board, leather, etc., and complex patterns can also be easily controlled, support personalized customization, and reduce mold usage. Intelligent typesetting reduces material loss. Efficient operation improves production efficiency and helps advertising production become more flexible, refined, and economical. In the composite industry, oscillating knife cutting machines can accurately cut various composite materials with high-frequency vibrating blades, resulting in smooth and burr-free cuts. Support fast cutting of complex graphics with high efficiency. Intelligent typesetting reduces material waste. No need for molds. Able to flexibly respond to diverse order demands, reduce costs, improve processing accuracy, and production efficiency. Aiming at the complex processing needs of textile fabrics, the intelligent vibration knife cutting solution achieves full category coverage. Equipped with intelligent typesetting and automatic tool changing system, various complex fabrics can be processed in one machine. With 30-second switching of cutting mode, multi-layer synchronous cutting, saving 30% material, improving efficiency and reducing costs, providing a one-stop solution. The oscillating knife cutting solution in the packaging industry can cut packaging substrates such as corrugated paper, honeycomb panels, pearl cotton, foam, adhesive labels. It is equipped with intelligent typesetting, automatic tool changing system, integrated indentation line, and semi-cutting technology, achieving one-time molding of packaging materials, smooth and burr-free cutting of finished products, and increasing material utilization by 40%. Accurate cutting of asbestos, graphite, rubber, polytetraflonally, and other gasket materials. Smooth and burr-free cutting of irregular parts. High-frequency vibration knife technology for efficient and dust-free cutting. Suitable for the production of precision components such as automotive seals and industrial gaskets.
Jinan Xinkai Machinery Co., Limited is a manufacturer specializing in the research and development, production, and sales of CNC vibration cutting machines. Through in-depth research and technological innovation, Xinkai provides excellent cutting solutions for packaging, advertising, textile, leather, automotive, and other fields. Xinkai has established a sales network worldwide, with products exported to over 130 countries and regions, including Europe, South America, Africa, Russia, Southeast Asia, Australia, and more. Xinkai Machinery Co., Ltd. adheres to the principle of customer first and quality priority, and sincerely provides services to every consultant. If you are looking for a reliable cutting solution provider to support your business development, then Xinkai Machinery Co., Limited is your ideal choice. We are committed to efficient cutting, unlimited creativity. The vibration knife cutting machine is particularly suitable for dealing with situations such as high elasticity and easy deformation of rubber materials when cutting rubber sheets. Machine with software-optimized layout, no need for molds, fast cutting, high precision, adopting high frequency and low amplitude vibration to reduce rubber softening or wear caused by friction, avoiding pulling deformation or rough edges. Supports special processes, such as multi-layer composite cutting, which can simultaneously cut rubber plus fabric and rubber plus metal mesh, composite materials to ensure alignment between layers, half cutting and indentation, precise control of cutting depth, achieving rubber surface indentation marking or half cutting process. The vibration knife cutting machine, with its cold cutting characteristics and high precision control ability, is particularly adept at solving problems such as bottom paper breakage and adhesive layer adhesion when cutting adhesive stickers. Machine with software-optimized layout, no need for molds, fast cutting, high precision, smooth edges without burrs. The pressure sensing system dynamically adjusts the cutting depth, cutting only the surface material without damaging the bottom paper. Vacuum absorption table plus infrared positioning ensures that the material is flat without deviation, and the cutting positioning error is less than 0.05 mm, becoming the preferred solution for small batch customization, complex graphics, and special adhesive materials. The vibrating knife cutter is especially suitable for dealing with the variability and rebound of foam materials when cutting foam plates. Machine with software-optimized layout, no need for molds, fast cutting, high precision. High-frequency micro-amplitude vibration achieves layer-by-layer peeling and cutting, with smooth and non-compressive deformation of the incision. Vacuum absorption tabletop plus infrared positioning ensures accurate alignment of each layer when cutting super thick foam, with dislocation rate less than 0.1 mm. Support direct import of 3D models to achieve one-time molding of complex shapes such as wavy and honeycomb shapes, replacing multiple processes. The vibration knife cutting machine has many advantages in cutting PVC. It can achieve high-precision cutting with smooth and burr-free cutting edges, precise size, and can meet various complex patterns and fine process requirements. Its cutting speed is fast, which can greatly improve production efficiency. Moreover, it has high flexibility and can quickly switch between different cutting patterns and shapes through programming. At the same time, it is a non-contact cutting method that does not generate mechanical pressure on PVC materials, avoiding material deformation. In addition, the vibration knife cutting machine also has good stability and durability, reducing maintenance costs, and has obvious comprehensive advantages in the PVC cutting field. The vibration knife cutting machine has significant advantages in cutting genuine leather pigskin. It has high cutting accuracy, can accurately achieve complex designs, and has small errors. High-frequency vibration makes the incision smooth and flat, which is conducive to subsequent processing and enhances the texture of the product. By adjusting parameters, different thicknesses of pigskin can be adapted, and precise path design can reduce material loss. Automated operations significantly improve production efficiency, reduce manual labor intensity, and result in less noise and dust during the cutting process. High-frequency vibration blades can quickly and accurately cut various fabrics, with smooth and burr-free cuts. The CNC system supports one-time cutting of complex patterns and multi-layer fabrics, suitable for various fabrics such as cotton, linen, and synthetic fibers, with low noise and dust, balancing environmental protection and flexible processing needs. The vibration knife cutting machine has significant advantages in cutting ceramic fiber cotton. The high-frequency vibration blade has a smooth and burr-free cut and high precision. The CNC system accurately controls the circuit, supports complex graphic cutting, and has high efficiency. Reduce extrusion deformation, increase material utilization by 10%-15%, and reduce losses. It can cut materials of different densities and thicknesses, with low noise and less dust, strong adaptability, and can flexibly process irregular parts. The The vibrating knife cutting machine recognizes fabric patterns or marks through a large camera, transmits them to the system for processing, and determines the cutting path to control the precise operation of the vibrating knife. During operation, it is necessary to level the fabric, adjust camera parameters, and use image recognition to improve cutting accuracy and efficiency, suitable for various types of fabrics. When the vibrating blade cutter scrapes the cloth, the high-frequency vibrating blade head can quickly and accurately cut, and the incision is smooth and free of burns. Capable of synchronously completing cutting and edge processing, suitable for processing advertising fabrics, tarpaulins, etc. The indentation function of the vibration knife cutting machine can accurately press out folding creases, suitable for scenarios such as cardboard boxes and hollow boards. It can press clear creases on the cardboard according to the preset trajectory, and after folding, the edges and corners are neat, improving the efficiency of cardboard box forming. Adjustable pressure to adapt to various materials, without damaging the surface during indentation, ensuring material performance. The mark point recognition advantage of the small camera of the vibration knife cutting machine is significant, with high accuracy. By using fixed distance mark points and graphics, the control system can accurately cut along the design path, reducing errors. Widely applicable, can be used for various materials such as paper and fabric, and is not limited by size or shape. The degree of automation is high, and after the materials are sent to the machine, the control system automatically completes the recognition and processing. High cost effectiveness. No need to replace equipment. Simply install the camera and upgrade the control system. Low cost. When cutting carbon fiber cloth with a vibrating blade, the high-frequency vibrating blade head is flexible for cutting, with smooth and burr-free cuts that can adapt to different weights. The batch efficiency is 30% higher, with no thermal damage and reduced tool wear. Our equipment's oblique cutting function can cut beveled edges, bevels, or various angles, and can be used to connect beveled edges for making packaging boxes and display racks. It can also perform oblique layered cutting on multi-layer materials to meet special process requirements, such as composite materials and soundproof cotton, expanding the flexibility and accuracy of processing scenarios. The inkjet function of the vibration knife cutting machine has significant advantages. It can print text and patterns while cutting, integrating inkjet marking and cutting to reduce process and improve efficiency. The system can automatically plan the inkjet trajectory and support custom marking with high intelligence and flexibility. When cutting V-grooves with a vibrating blade, the high-frequency vibration of the blade head can accurately control the angle depth, and the groove wall is smooth without cracking, suitable for multi-material boards. This model is equipped with a CCD camera and is widely used in industries such as printed carpets, leather recognition, and advertising signage. The camera automatically takes photos and recognizes the position and contour of materials, accurately locates and cuts various irregular materials without the need for making patterns. Equipped with a projector, the projector can project the contour to be cut onto the workpiece, allowing for a clear preview of the cutting effect. Intelligent defect detection. The system will automatically avoid scar and defect areas on the material for processing, improving material utilization. The fixed table design of the vibration knife cutting machine is particularly suitable for processing requirements that require high stability, accuracy, and flexibility. The fixed platform effectively reduces vibration interference during the cutting process, and the trajectory control is more precise. The material is fixed on the workbench by vacuum adsorption or fixture to avoid errors caused by material displacement. Flexible adjustment of material position